Instacart shoppers use their own vehicles to pick and deliver grocery orders for customers through the Instacart app. By the end, you'll know how Instacart batches work, what affects your real earnings, and how to decide if the time spent per batch is worth it in 2026. The biggest factor with Instacart is not just the batch payment. It is how much time, driving, and effort each order requires from start to finish. Instacart works differently from food delivery apps because shoppers often handle the grocery shopping process before completing the delivery. A batch can include several steps: accepting an order, driving to the store, finding items, checking out, and delivering the groceries to the customer. This means your total time matters. A batch that looks attractive at first may become less valuable if it takes longer because of a large shopping list, difficult items to find, or extra driving distance. The best way to judge Instacart is to track your real numbers. Record how much each batch pays, how long the shopping takes, how many miles you drive, and any vehicle expenses. This shows your actual return, better than looking only at the payment shown in the app. Your location has a major impact on your experience. Areas with more grocery stores, more customers, and higher order demand may provide different opportunities compared with smaller markets. The type of batches you accept also changes your results. Some shoppers prefer smaller orders that can be completed quickly. Others may choose larger orders because they are comfortable spending more time shopping and delivering. Your vehicle costs also affect your final profit. Gas, maintenance, insurance, and additional mileage reduce the amount you keep after completing batches. A vehicle with lower operating costs can make the same batch more valuable. Instacart can be a good option for people who like flexible work and do not mind the shopping process. It may not be the right fit for someone who wants simple driving-only deliveries or predictable income. The smartest way to test Instacart is to treat your first batches as data. Track your earnings, time, mileage, and expenses. After collecting enough information, you can decide whether the platform fits your goals. The main points are simple. Instacart requires more than just driving because shopping is part of the job. Your real profit depends on time and expenses, and tracking your own batch results is the best way to decide if it is worth it. Your next step is to calculate your average earnings per hour after vehicle costs. If this helped you understand whether Instacart is worth your time per batch in 2026, like the video and subscribe for more practical side gig reviews.